Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to start budgeting like a pro. It's called the envelope budgeting system. Sounds old school, right? But trust me, it works wonders. So what's the deal with envelope budgeting? It's simple. You'll use envelopes to manage your money. First, grab some envelopes and label each one with a specific expense category. Think groceries, entertainment, rent, and so on. Now here's the fun part. Decide how much money you want to spend on each category for the month. Take that money out in cash and put it into the corresponding envelope. This way, you're setting limits and sticking to them. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, that's it. No more spending in that category until next month. Let's break it down step by step. First, list all your monthly expenses. Start with fixed expenses like rent and utilities. Then, add variable expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Next, figure out your total income for the month. Subtract your fixed expenses from your income. What's left is your budget for variable expenses. Divide this remaining money among your envelopes based on your priorities. A pro tip here: make sure to include an envelope for savings. Even if it's just a small amount, it adds up over time. And don't forget an envelope for emergencies. Life happens, right? Now it's time to put your plan into action. Track your spending by using only the cash from your envelopes. It's a great way to be mindful of your spending habits. No swiping cards and losing track. Need a little motivation? Decorate your envelopes. Make it fun. Use colors, stickers, or whatever sparks joy. This way, you'll be excited to stick to your budget. And remember, the envelope system is flexible. If you need to adjust your budget, do it. The goal is to find a system that works for you and helps you reach your financial goals. So, there you have it. Envelope budgeting in a nutshell. Give it a try and see how it transforms your financial life. Got any questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome budgeting tips. Happy budgeting!